you're passing your mouth. Maybe the person that you know that is your father is not your father. You might be claiming and look like the person. Apart from that, don't you know that there also we have our twin everywhere? You might look like somebody else. Maybe the person who impregnated your mother look like your father, and they confuse that because you resemble the person. So you don't know. If they begin to make DNA tests, mothers, there's going to be many calamity. My people. My name is Marine Dung. Thank you very much for turning into my channel. Today, welcome again. If you are my new subscriber, thank you very much for turning into my channel. If you are my old subscriber, thank you very much for being a new family, for being my family. Today, we are going to talk about I have this one little short story. I know that it came out some few days ago about this guy in Australia, a Cameroonian who committed suicide. He fell like from the stairs because that's what the story we are hearing, that he got married to the wife. Some people say they met on the internet, but I don't know how far that's true. And he married the lady. And before the lady came, and the lady was pregnant. She wasn't only pregnant, but she was pregnant with twin children. And the only solution for him to do that he could do was to commit suicide. My people, and many people have been giving their own opinion about such situation. I want to say that before I jump into my story, happy Black History Month. That's why you see me dressed in my African world. We are in black, the style. It cannot show very well, but this is the hand of the cloth. We celebrating. I'll do by every way to celebrate this month with you guys. Black History Month. That's the month that was given to the black people in the United States. You know, black people were considered like second-class citizens because they were slaves for a very long time, and when they received their freedom, so the United States decided to honor black people, that something good can come out from us, also from our race. We can have men and women like us with brain, and not only beauty, without brain. Cocoyam heads. People will have sense. So people with knowledge, people that can become something useful in their community. My people, I went so happy Black History Month. If you're a black lady, if you're a black man, happy Black History Month. If you're a color person, if you are a Caucasian, help celebrate with us also. I want to say that this story about that lady that committed, and the man who committed suicide, my own opinion is that he has brought the wife. Okay, for the lady, it wasn't a good thing that you're cheating, because some people criticize online dating. Have you not heard of people that live in the same environment and the woman still cheats, and the woman still have children for another man, like the landlord or the neighbor or even the brother or the father-in-law? There are many cases. So if you're a woman, you're married, you just have to remain loyal to your husband, no matter the situation, no matter the condition. And then if you're a man also, you are married to a woman, sometimes I always say the greatest thing to separate relationship is distance. You have to, it's just prayers. Like, I know the guy have to take the wife. Sometimes it make 1 year. Some people, you know, immigration worry for some people. Some people, it take longer than they expected. Distance relationship, it take God for it to work. So the lady, they say she has a child with a military person in Cameroon, the boyfriend, and she came. Maybe she came, she didn't know that the guy was going to recognize the pregnancy. Maybe the pregnancy she did not know it would be that far gone. And if it was not far gone, she could have just slept with the man and with the gyno and say that the guy is the father of the baby. He could have not known if the pregnancy was not that alarming. So some people are criticizing and talking everything. Maybe some people, close friend of that man, were criticizing the lady, were like shaming and everything, and the man could not stand it, and the only way for him, he was to go and kill himself. If people have such situation and they come to you, you just have to. So they say, if you're in that scenario, my people, what will you do? If you are that man, what will you do to the lady? Are you going to kill yourself? So tell me in the comment section, what will you do? To me personally, I won't kill myself. Nobody, I will not kill myself, because nobody would your life. He could have divorced the woman. That's what the Bible said, that the only way for you to divorce is when there's adultery. God give you the permission if you want to. But if you don't want to, he could have just adopted the baby. Do you know how many people that your father is not your father? If they should be doing DNA, especially in Africa, you know DNA was not common when you were little. If they start doing DNA, people who are running their mouth and talking, if don't you know, maybe your father is not your father, you might be arguing that you look like my father. Maybe it's your uncle who impregnated your mother, or maybe it's your father-in-law who imitated your grandfather. That sharpen your mouth and say no. Always say, if God could make 2 a.m. to become 2 p.m., people are going to die. The shocking that you're going to receive in your life, many people will collapse and don't get up back. So when you hear scenario, don't be judgmental. Don't just run your mouth and be talking, because you that you're passing your mouth, maybe the person that you know that is your father is not your father. You might be claiming and look like the person. Apart from that, don't you know that there also we have our twin everywhere? You might look like somebody else. Maybe the person who impregnated your mother look like your father, and they confuse that because you resemble the person. So you don't know. If they begin to make DNA tests, mothers, there's going to be many calamities. That's why when I was little, they always used to say that they discourage DNA tests. They make it to be very expensive because they didn't want marriage to break. So they know with modernism and everything, it's becoming cheaper, and people are doing all type of things. I heard the other one that the guy beat the girl and removed her teeth because he was not the real father. It means most people, their fathers could have been removing their mother's teeth, because most of men have got married, have 10 children. None of those children belongs to them, but they raise them up knowing ignorantly that is my child. It happened like that. Many scenarios. Don't tell me I look like my father. All of us have one face. Maybe your uncle is the one impregnating your mother. Maybe your grandpa is the one impregnating your mother. Maybe your father's cousin. You cannot tell. Maybe somebody who look like your father. People resemble. So do not be judgmental. Don't be throwing stones. Don't be. Anyway, but the saddest thing, the guy died. He killed himself, which you cannot take your life because you're going to hellfire. Hellfire is real. There's a lot of life to live. You could have divorced that woman if you cannot stand it, because some people cannot stand it, and start a whole clean life. Some people claim that he has worked all his life. We want money, no money work for us. Give you the strength to start a new, different life, and you start a whole different new family. Oh, my people, it's a very sad scenario. So if you're watching me here, you're married, you have temptation, your husband is far away from you. I know I've been in a distant relationship before. It wasn't easy. It's by the grace of God. I cannot advise anybody to get into it, because if it was not the grace of God, I'm not sure I could have made it. But I know God was with me. It's a very difficult scenario. You need grace for distant relationship, and where apart from 1 year, it wasn't easy. So distant relationship, God, I know it's a very difficult situation. But some people, because they don't have choice, their husband had to travel to look for greener pasture or something on the woman, and the other party stay with the kid behind and they are coming in front. So you just need to be prayerful. Then keep communication. Then be prayerful. Pray for your partner. If you're a woman, pray for your husband. If you're a man, pray for your wife. We need to be prayerful. I said it again. To keep the marriage going, to keep that love, to keep that energy, to still be there in order for it to happen. My people. Thank you very much. I just hear this story. I said, let me come, since I talk most of relationship and love. I said, let me chip in and say my own view of the scenario. So if you're a man watching me here, same. If you're a woman watching me here, you're in a distant relationship or know anyone with a distant relationship, just be prayerful, be prayerful, be prayerful. There's nothing impossible with God. Jeremiah 32:27 says, I am the God of all human race. Is there anything too difficult for me to do? So God can do anything. You just have to be strong. Strong. Much Marine Dung. See you in my next video. Today's shout out go to Diamond Nikki Channel TV. If you want me to give you a shout out, be the first to comment on my video, you can only do that by putting on your notification button. Thanks, Marine Dung. See you in my next video.